Aloha, my name is Jake, and I wanted to do a review on the locked up RC wheels. So here we go. So first off, I wanted to say it was really easy to order these wheels. Went up to lockeduprc.com and went to the discount bundler, complete discount bundler, and you basically can pick your wheel, you can pick your ring, you can pick your hardware, and basically everything that you need to complete a wheel. All the options are there. You just click what you need, and there's no guessing on how much hardware you need, or everything is under the options. So that's a really nice thing right off the bat. So I ordered these rock cutters. I've just pre-installed the hub with some acorn studs, acorn wheel studs, and they're really nice. The finish is really nice on this wheel. It's got a nice weight to it. It has a nice space for the bead of the tire to fit in. I always like that. Always makes it easy to mount wheels. And this is the easy mount system. So the easy mount system, basically there's 6 screws that will mount the ring or secure the ring to the wheel. And the rest will be threaded, and they'll just go right into the wheel. So there's 6 holes on the ring that are not threaded, and those will line up with the 6 threaded holes on the wheel. The rest of the holes on the wheel are not threaded, but they are threaded on the ring. So those other screws will be threaded into the ring, but not into the wheel. And it will just be the main 6 screws securing the ring to the wheel. It's a really good system. It's easy to put together. You can see I've already put together some wheels here, and it came out really nice. So the wheel itself is a really nice finish, feels good. The rings, I love these rings. I have these rings on other wheels, other sets of wheels, these stainless steel 1.9s. The wheel is going to come with a black inner, and that'll match up. It'll disappear right into the back of the tire. That's nice. So here I have the Ultra hubs as installed on the wheel there. And I figure since I was doing a review and everything looks really nice, everything fits really nice, I might as well go through the wheel really quickly and put one together and show you how easy it is. So yeah, so we just put the wheel straight into the tire. It's always a little tricky to do this. Get the bead of the tire into the wheel, and like I said, that the wheel is really nice. Has a nice spot, so the tire, basically the bead dropped right in there. With a little bit of help, it gets right in there. So again, with the easy mount system, we're gonna find the non-threaded on the ring and match it up with the threaded on the wheel, and it lines up pretty nicely. I'm just gonna put that there. We're gonna have to put some screws in, and I'm just gonna put 6 in, the 6 main screws, just to show you how easy this is. So you don't need to put, on the first round, you don't need to go that tight. You just want to make sure that the ring is lined up with the wheel and it's able to be threaded in. And it's my own fingers. I can't get the screws in. So just that simple. We'll just find the 6. One more. Three more. And once that's lined up, we can start going in a cross pattern and tightening them up. You don't want to go too tight. And there's no reason to use thread locker. We'll just go in a cross pattern and we'll tighten these up. And that there is tight, and the hardware is nice and flush. So there is, oh, look how nice that is. All right, so the rear, same thing. Just a tire. Let's see how nice that fits in. Yep, right in. See how the bead sits really nice in the wheel. And line it up. And put it around. Okay, so same as the front. Snug it up. As we get them all in, make sure that they're all lined up. Never force. And again, I don't use thread locker. No need to. It's easier to lose a screw and replace it than it is to get a stuck one out. So I wouldn't put thread locker. Okay. And then we snug them up here and we cross pattern. Hello. There we go. So that's the main part of the wheel. That's the inner. And then the outer. And the rest of the screws will just thread right in. They don't actually secure the ring to the wheel. So I'll put in a few just to show how easy it is. So these are, we just snug these. We don't have to go crazy tight. We're not trying to clamp anything. All we're doing is putting these in, and they're only threading into the ring. See how easy that is? That looks very nice. So overall, finish, excellent. Ease of mounting, excellent. It's just a very nice wheel. They're easy to mount. They're easy to buy. I really like them. And I would recommend them to anyone looking for a nice wheel. Also, this scale hardware, it's a very nice touch. It's one of the reasons why I like Locked Up RC in the first place, is the scale hardware brought me into them. Anyway, I hope you liked my review, and thank you very much for watching.
you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Not sure if you want to subscribe yet? Check out one of these videos. Thank you for watching.